Hey there friends, in this video we'll show you remove skin lock on Samsung phone, password, pin or pattern at the same process. First of all, unlock your phone, then swipe up your home screen to open the app door. Use the search bar, type settings. You can find the settings icon appear, tap to open the settings menu. After opening the settings page, scroll down a little. You can find the lock screen and AOD, tap on them. After opening the menu, look for the top section, tap on skin lock and biometrics. Now verify to enter your current password, pin, pattern or passcode if you added. After this skin lock and biometric section, here you can see various options there. If you decide to completely remove skin lock, so this time tap on the none option. Then tap on remove data and confirm by tapping again. And automatically remove skin lock on Samsung Galaxy phone. You can lock your phone, unlock it, no needed to password anymore, and that's it. But I recommend if you mostly security your phone, so always enable skin lock on your phone. Better decision. Thanks for watching. Bye.